to the demonstration of phase Pipedrive SAP Business One integration. This integration product includes the sync of 4 different connection pointers. There's a bidirectional sync of SAP Business One customers to Pipedrive organizations, which means that data created or updated in either system, and one system updates the other. There's also a SAP Business One contact to Pipedrive people bidirectional sync, again, creating or updating a record in one system is reflected in the other. There's a SAP inventory to Pipedrive product sync as well. So sales reps can build deals in Pipedrive with all of the valid inventory information that you have inside SAP. There's a SAP invoice history and credit memo history synced to a custom window within Pipedrive under the organization record. Lastly, there's a SAP sales order synced to that same custom window. And again, I'll show you how you can differentiate between sales orders and invoices inside that custom sales window. Let's go ahead and jump directly into the integration. Whenever a record is created in one system, again, in terms of customers and contacts, it will be reflected immediately inside the other system. Right now, we're looking at a business partner or customer record inside SAP, an existing one. I'm going to go ahead and update the telephone number. Let SAP update that information. Let's move to close out temporarily. Like SAP accepted that change. In terms of which fields of data sync, out of the box, we're looking at primarily just the name field syncing. However, users are able to select any of the existing fields or any user-defined or custom fields you may have created in either of the systems. They do have the option letting us know, and we'll go ahead and map those fields of data for you. So in this case, I just updated telephone number 2. I'm going to go over to Pipedrive. Scroll to the phone number fields, and you'll see that that change is reflected here. I can also, for example, create a contact inside Pipedrive. And create that as a new contact. Telephone number. And again, you can specify whichever fields of data on the contact record you would like updated. We can go ahead and sync that. That person now exists under the demo customers record, organization record inside Pipedrive. So I'm going to go to SAP. I'll close out of this customer just to give it time to refresh. Go back in. Go to contact persons. And you can see trails test exists here. So just that easily, I can, and almost instantaneously, I can create and update records in either system. Inside Pipedrive, you also have a custom sales window. This is introduced by our integration product. This lists all of the invoices. You can select on an invoice number and see details of that invoice. So I'm able to see a lot of header information of the invoice. Click on the invoice number to drill down and look at the specific line items on that invoice. Likewise, there's a credit memos tab. If there were any credit memos, you'll see them all there. Same thing with orders, or if there are any open sales orders, you'll see them there. Also, inside Pipedrive, all of your inventory items that are in SAP will sync over. This is a one-way sync, so they must be set up inside SAP first, then they'll sync over. And just like customers and contacts, you can specify which fields of data you would like synced over, and they'll flow into your SAP with the unit price information. Let us know if you would like to see more information on the Pipedrive SAP Business One integration.